Hi. In this video, we are going to install and activate Imunify360 on our CentOS 7 base server. Imunify360 is a plugin that works with WHM, so cPanel and WHM is the dependency to make it work, so make sure you've installed it on your server. First, we need to download Imunify360 repository from Cloud Linux's official website. Next, we need to execute the sh file using the bash command. Imunify has been installed on our server. Now to activate it, make sure you have a Imunify360 license first. You don't need to run this first command if you're already using any of the LES system's license, because in such case this install.shay already existed on your server. So you simply need to run this command. And the Imunify360 has been successfully installed and activated on your server. Thank you for your time.